Today we will discuss about Quick Access Toolbar. First of all, I welcome all the friends on my educational channel. Subscribe it for the latest video, like and share also. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains commonly used set of commands that are independent of the tab on the ribbon that is currently displayed. The Quick Access Toolbar allows you to carry out your most common tasks quickly and easily. The commonly used commands in Quick Access Toolbar are new, open, save, undo, redo, and plot, etc. The drop-down button in the end of Quick Access Toolbar shows us the details of these tools. It is customized Quick Access Toolbar. It carries all the Quick Access Toolbar tools. You can remove or add any tool from bar. All checked tools are appearing in bar and unchecked tools are not appearing in bar. You can add tool in Quick Access Toolbar by simply check it. Drop down shows us the default tools. We can also organize Quick Access Toolbar. For this, access bar in drop-down button. Here we see a list of all the tools in the toolbar. To the left we have 4 buttons. The first two looks like arrows and are used to rearrange the order of tools. Select any tool from up arrow. You can move it up and first of Quick Access Toolbar. You can move down any tool from down button. The third one adds a separator line so that you can group together tools. You can also move separator line through up and down arrows. The fourth and final button is delete button and will remove tools from the list. You can also add any tool in the list. So right click on any tool in the ribbon. It will shows you the message Add to Quick Access Toolbar. You can also change the location of Quick Access Toolbar. Select Show below the ribbon in drop-down button. Bar will appear below the ribbon. For Replace Quick Access Toolbar, above the ribbon, go to drop-down button and select Show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. Bar will move above the ribbon. The Quick Access Toolbar is a powerful time-saving feature. If you can spend a few minutes setting it up, if you work out which tools you use the most and add them to the toolbar, it will over time save a lot of effort on your part. I hope you like my today's educational video, so keep watching.